Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your science teacher and today we are going with the lecture 4. Watch this video till the end. Hope so it will help you to solve the assessment sheets provided by the school. So let's start our lecture. Today our lecture is about the chapter 2 and 5. Next sense organ that we are going to discuss is nose, organ of smell. It is a hollow air passage and it has two openings that are called nostrils. Inside the nostrils of the vestibule that are nasal hair which filter the dust and other matter that. In some animals such as dog, the capillary bed flowing through the nasal cavity help to cool the blood flow to the brain. अब क्या है जी, सबसे पहले नोज हॉलो एयर पैसेज जहाँ पे दो ओपनिंग्स होती हैं दैट इज नोन एज नॉस्ट्रल्स, और नॉस्ट्रल्स के इनसाइड there are nasal hair which have to filter the dust and other matter that is present in the air. So in some animal like in dogs, it also help to cool the blood flow. The next sense organ that we are going to discuss is tongue. Tongue has these senses to taste these has taste buds to taste different tastes. For example, bitter taste, sour, salty and sweet. The tongue is the main sensory organ of the taste sense. The upper surface of the tongue is covered with the taste bud which contain taste receptor. Mean it perceives different type of taste. Then bitter taste, sour taste, saltiness, sweet and other kind of taste. So the next chapter that we are going to discuss is chapter number 5, titled as Atom, Molecule, Mixture and Compound. First of all, what is an atom? Atom is the smallest unit of matter. It consists of subatomic particles, neutron, proton and electron. Mean atom is the smallest unit of matter and it has proton, electron and neutron. Here is the structure. This is the nucleus of an atom containing proton and neutron, and here is electron. This is the complete structure of the atom. Next, molecule. What is molecule? Group of atoms bonded together representing the smallest fundamental unit of a chemical compound that can take part in a chemical reaction is known as molecule. मीन जब एटम्स बॉन्ड करते हैं आपस में और केमिकल कंपाउंड का स्मॉलेस्ट फंडामेंटल यूनिट बनाते हैं, देन इट इज कॉल्ड मॉलिक्यूल. हियर इज द एग्जांपल. फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हेन टू एटम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन कंबाइन दे फॉर्म ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल. व्हेन वन कार्बन एंड वन ऑक्सीजन कंबाइन दे फॉर्म द मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. सिमिलरली, वन कार्बन एंड टू ऑक्सीजन दे विल मेक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड मीथेन CH4, वन कार्बन एंड 4 hydrogen. The next, element. What is an element? It is a substance that cannot be broken down into some simpler component. Element क्या होते हैं? वो चीज़, वो substance जो कि simpler component में break नहीं हो सकता. These are the some common element with their symbol. For example, nitrogen, capital N, sodium Na, chlorine Cl, carbon C, cobalt CO, neon, gold, silver, oxygen, fluorine, boron, mercury, niobium, iron, helium, hydrogen, copper and potassium. Now classification of element. Elements are classified into two groups. Number 1, metal and non-metal. What are metals? First of all, metals are opaque, lustrous element. Lustrous element mean जब उनको freshly cut किया जाता है, they are shiny. They are good conductor of heat and electricity. Most metals are malleable and ductile, mean they can be converted into sheets. In general, they are denser than the other elemental substance. These are the example of metal. For example, brass, aluminium, cast iron, copper and metal sludge. Here are some example of metals and non-metals. You can see. Then what are the physical properties of metal? Physical properties of metal. Metals are ductile. malleable, they are good conductor of electricity, mean electricity can pass through them, good conductor of heat, shiny, high melting and boiling point, because in these particles there are strong forces of attraction. यहाँ पे atoms के दरमियान strong forces of attraction होते हैं, closely bond होते हैं, इसलिए इनके melting और boiling point high होते हैं. They have high density and strength. Way we use metal. For example, iron we use making pins, nails, nuts, bolts and other tools, machine, construction of building, bridge, etc. Aluminium used for making tinsels, wires, furniture and medicine and all other things. Copper making wire, vessels and electric gadgets. Gold for making jewelry, silver, jewelry, coins and medals. Platinum used for jewelry, electric gadgets and plugs in vehicles. Sodium compound are used as common salt. Calcium used for making cement and glass. This was all about the atom, its uses, element, molecule and sense organ. Thank you so much.